practice has been pretty tough. Coach has been hard on all of us, and we've just been trying to make sure we face adversity here between each other. That way, once it's time for gameplay, we're perfectly capable of doing so. Our preseason conditioning has consisted of lots of different things between hill workouts, field workouts, and just on-the-court sprints. I think it's helping us prepare not only physically but mentally for what's in store for us this season. Coach expects a lot out of me, being the only senior. Everybody looks up to me. They look for me for a lot of different things as far as communication and just leading vocally as well as just showing them, being the example. So, I mean, it's a lot of pressure, but, I mean, it's something that I've prepared myself for over the 3 years because I've always been by myself in my class.
Basically the first week, we're getting back at it. For some of us, it's all new stuff. So, the energy is really good. It's exciting, first practice college basketball for some of us. So we're kind of learning how to play with each other, how each person works on and off the court. So it's been good overall. My role changed a lot this season. I basically have to step up, be pretty much a senior along with Sasha. I mean, all of us juniors have to be, up a higher tier than we were last year to bring the freshmen, lead by example and show them how to do things and tell them where to be and what to do, in a positive manner. Basketball doesn't just bring you, new roles like on the court. It brings you roles off the court too. Coach Bree does a good job teaching us, not only to be good women on the court, but to be good women off the court. And it shows you got to, even in your daily lives, you go through adversity. You got to push through and keep working and go to the next step.
I think it went pretty well. We did a good job with coming in, not really knowing that much. I think our teammates helped us, the upperclassmen helped us very well to, get into it and learn it. So it was pretty fun. Oh, it's pretty tough, but I think we're hanging in there, though. As long as we have our teammates encouraging us and stuff, I think we'll get through it no matter what.